So hi there. Uh, Here this Diwali and this festive season. So most of the people are looking forward to buy gold. So here I have come up with a good offer for you. That first of all, we need to know that which gold is best. Okay. So we have seen so far that Bangalore refineries gold that is very good, and nowadays stock price is also rising. And for that, to purchase gold, these are a joint venture between a public sector MMTC and a Switzerland PAMP SA. Okay. And to see about the largest refineries, first look at that, then we'll look forward to buy it. So yeah, you can see that welcome be at Switzerland. So obviously that Switzerland has the largest refineries, and Bangalore refineries is also a joint venture with that companies in the Switzerland. So Bangalore refineries gold is the best with purity, and you can find it easily on Amazon, on Flipkart, and I have also filtered out some searches for you from where you can buy it very quick. And let's see about some more things. This was the first gold refinery. Okay. So at most there are 32 refineries in India for gold. Okay. So this was, let's see, the Bangalore refinery owner, who is the owner of it. Just click it through. Which refinery is the best? Obviously, it is the best. So let's find out its prices. So let's look it on Amazon to buy forward it. Is we can get best price from there only. So this is, we have seen that it's a 1 gram gold, fine gold, which is 99.9, 24 karat pure. This is purity of it, that is 99 999.9. And this is a KT yellow gold. Means gold is yellow and it's very good. So yeah, you can definitely buy it, and most of the people are looking forward to buy it. So you can get the link in the description for buying it. And why should you buy this? Also that this is the finest quality of the gold, and this is the best in India. Then another fact is about it, uh, the melter Acer. This is the thing is there. And it's a gold bar also. So you can see what like that. So it's like a professional title which is given to the legitimate and good kinds of gold and precious metal according to legal region for goldsmith and SS office. So it's basically like a certificate. We can see like a gold certificate, and which certificate state that it's the highest quality of the gold, which has 99.99% purity as per the international standards. So if you are looking forward for international standard buying to buy for your country as well, so you can surely buy this gold. So now this is 1 gram of it, the same Bangalore refineries sold by official Bangalore refineries. Okay. Now, how you can get maximum benefit out of this sale is like you can get 10% off here. You can see, and there will be, you can get 10% off on using your different types of card like RuPay card. Then also there is some more offers. Like if you are having an ICICI Bank debit card, so you can get 10% off there. The minimum purchase should be of 5,000. So yeah, definitely, I think it's 5,000 only. Yeah, it's more than 5,000, so you will definitely get it. Okay. So for this and for other is like ICICI Bank debit and credit board, you can get 10% off. So it's good if you are using ICICI Bank debit and credit cards, you will get good offer. And don't worry, if you have RuPay cards also, you will get up to 500. And in case you are having RuPay, so RuPay credit card is 500 and RuPay debit card you will get, I think 10%, yes, same 10%. I think there is no limit for that. For this, you will get at least 500, so it's good if you're purchasing the things and you're getting cashbacks for it. And if you are a Prime saving user, so I recommend you to buy using ICICI Pay, Amazon Pay ICICI credit card, which is very good, and it instantly sends you the cashback. And also there are different offers which we get when we use this card. And if you're Prime members, okay. So if you are buying for at least, you can see. So as you have seen that when we take more things, so we get more discounts. Like it's like a when we do big purchases, we get big discounts. So it's simply like this. Here you if you're doing a small purchase of this gold, so you will get a discount up to 500 rupees, just because we are getting 10% only. Okay, but I will recommend you to buy more. Means like you can buy for instead of 1 gram, you can buy 2 grams gold. Depending on your capacity also, you can buy it filtered according to your need. But yeah, at least buy one gram, so you will get things done. And most of the people are going for market to buy this when you're getting a discount from the Amazon in here, and you're getting deal of the day, also 10% instant cashback. So why you don't buy from here? You should buy from here, and it's very good, as it's certified gold you will get here. Now if you buy this, it is 2 gram. You can see 2 gram. So I think you will get more cashback, and it will be a good deal for you. At least you will get this amount. You are seeing it. Okay, which is at 10%. If it's there is 10% offer, yes. So offers are the same. I think debit cards and all you can see again. Yeah, obviously the same. And there are some more offers below. Additional 1,500 on this minimum purchase of 30,000. So if you purchase of minimum of 30,000, so you will get additional 1,500 on this card transaction. And so once you are getting, and then again you are getting up to 1,500, and it's like flat discount. So it's not up to 1,500. You'll definitely get 1,500 for that. Then additional flat discount of 750. It's a credit, ICICI Bank credit transaction. So it's like a bonus offer, I think. You can see more for it. And basically, like select an eligible card at the time of checkout. I would recommend you to use Amazon Pay ICICI credit card if you have, or else ICICI debit card and credit card both. Both means either or you can use. And next is like we can see another thing is like here. Okay, now moving on to 5 gram. Okay, most of the people are looking for more, means like to buy more to get more discounts, and also the gold will grow. Definitely, gold is that kind of investment that will definitely gives you more rent, more return over the period of time. So you will definitely need to buy gold. Okay, so far if you are looking forward for BRBL 5 grams, so it's very good. Again, the rating is, you can see that the rating for this I have got, and also it's Amazon choice, so it's definitely great. This 78% have rated 5 star, and it's rating out of 4.5 out of 5, so it is definitely great. Means you don't need to check out anything, simply check out this gold. Okay, so the offers I think remains the same. Looking forward for the offers. Yeah, 10%. Okay, so definitely buy this to get a more saving of this, that is 2618. You get it, it's very great, because it's up to 5,000, so you will definitely get this much out of it. Okay, so I would recommend you to buy, and you can get the link in the description for buying directly, and I would recommend you to buy to the links so that you can get directly redirected here and can buy from here. So definitely need not to worry about it, because it's safe, it's certified, it's 99.9% pure. Now moving on to 10 gram, you can buy 10 gram because it's like you can keep it in locker and something at home also, and it was very great, and you will get maximum saving out of it, that is of 5239, means 5,239 rupees, which is very great. As you are saving exactly one price of the 1 gram of gold.